Hi. Oh, there's no sound. Is there no sound? I wonder if you guys can hear us. Anyways, okay, so this is Monique and Alan, and we're calling from HOTT Homes, property management and real estate. And as you can see in the background, there's a huge, beautiful tree from Claremont that we are sharing with you. And the reason why we're sharing it with you is because just this last weekend, we had the most incredible windstorms that we've ever had in Claremont history, I think. Yeah.
They were crazy. Yeah, we reached like 80 miles an hour gust.
Yeah, like hundreds of trees just completely toppled over, much like the one that's behind us. That one actually was taken just earlier, like maybe 3 or 4 months ago when we were on a hike. And it was just so beautiful. We thought, oh, we got to take a picture of this. We've lost so many of those beautiful trees here in Claremont. It's really a pity, almost like we have to do a memorial for all the gorgeous trees that we have in Claremont. So what came to our attention, though, is yes, we've lost trees, but those trees fell on things. They fell on homes, cars.
Yeah, luckily no people, but
electrical
homes and
poles.
cars, electrical poles, our local schools.
Yeah, we had a huge light post go into our kids' elementary school. It was unbelievable. So, but what did happen is we had a lot of our rentals or not a lot, thankfully only one, had significant damage. A tree actually landed on the neighbor's guest house and car. And so we had to go into action. So obviously, what we wanted to talk to you today about was, what do you do? Do you call your home warranty? Do you call your home insurance? So the answer is,
that's home insurance. We tried the home warranty. Yeah,
no, you never try the home warranty. That was a mistake. So always call your home insurance. Home warranty is if you are, it's not an emergency. It could be an emergency, like a broken water heater, but this is not like a natural disaster. It doesn't exceed thousands of dollars. But your home warranty is, a acute broken water heater that dumps out all of its water. We have your air conditioner. If you have pool coverage, maybe the pool filters are breaking or some of the equipment. Your solar panels, if you have solar coverage, those typically when you buy a home, you'll have home warranty. But when it is a natural disaster such as this, it's an immediate home insurance claim because it is basically a tree fell on a home and it needs to be fixed. The other thing we just learned is that if your tree falls on an adjacent home, so your neighbor's home, it is actually not your insurance that is to cover it. It is the insurance of the home that is hit. So Let me repeat that again.
Yeah.
So if the tree falls on your neighbor's home, okay, so you have a tree, it falls on another home, not your own home. Your own insurance company does not cover that. You have to have the neighbor contact their insurance company to start the claim. We did start a claim for our owner because we could not get gas to the home, and we also had to remove the tree. So the tree, like the roots, right?
The roots are in the yard and they've torn up the gas lines, the main water line to the house. So in order to get those restored to our tenants, we have to start a claim in the owner's name to get their yard taken care of. As far as the neighbor's yard, if the tree falls due to weather, like wind, like this happened, then that is when the neighbor's insurance takes over. If it falls because of neglect, then it's most likely your insurance will deal with it.
And it's a liability. You basically did not take care of your home. But in this respect, where we had several trees falling because of wind, it is not negligence. It is definitely a natural cause that caused the tree to fall. And therefore, it is the insurance policy of the home that was impacted that needs to call their home insurance. So anyways, we did have to call our home insurance. They told us immediately lift the tree off of the home because they didn't want any further damage to ensue. So we immediately worked with a tree trimmer to remove the tree off of the other home, and to make sure that our plumber would be able to access the gas lines that are there. We have a very good relationship with Option One Plumbing. They were so very professional. I am so very grateful to their service and how quickly we called them, I think at maybe 11, and they were able to get out to the house by 3 o'clock that same day. They weren't able to do anything, but at least they were able to tell us, get the tree removed, and then we will come in and repair the lines to restore gas. Thankfully, we also, one thing we do very well is we select really incredible tenants. I have to tell you that, one, the tenant should have called us immediately. They did the right thing, but they were like apologetic about it. Like, oh, I'm so sorry for calling so early. And I was like, no, you're supposed to call us. This is when you do call us, and we're so grateful that you called us. So I was pleased that they called would do that.
But they felt bad that they had to call us early on a Saturday.
Yeah. And so anytime something like this happens, we're expecting calls. We can't believe we didn't have more than one call. But we had calls. We had this call. They went onto our online portal, reported the problem. They called us. They did exactly what they were supposed to do. And I'm so glad that they felt comfortable enough to call us. But anytime something like this happens, you need to get that work order in right away so that it can be handled in the best way. Again, when there's an emergency, it is the worst time to lose your head. So this is when you do not make decisions in haste. You slowly make decisions. Unfortunately, the neighbor really was under a lot of stress, and she wasn't making the best decisions, and she was trying to get us to make decisions that didn't make sense. And so it was so sad when I had to say, I'm sorry, I can't authorize that because I need certain steps to take place before we can make that decision. And I felt so bad because I wanted to literally just like help her and come to her rescue, but we can't do that. Because we ultimately represent owners and their beautiful homes.
I didn't understand that.
Oh, my phone is talking to us. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
But anyway, so our job is to protect the owner and their home. And that means sometimes making hard decisions to say, I'm so sorry, I can't help you. I felt so bad because my nature is to help.
Yeah, we want to help.
Yeah. I mean, I think we looked at our home. Thankfully, our home was not significantly impacted. And so instead, we spent the day helping others, remove the destruction off of their homes. So we'll maybe clean up our house next weekend because.
Well, the gardener cleaned up most of the stuff.
I know, our wonderful gardener.
Yeah.
So if you need a good gardener or great vendors, let us know, because this is when we know it counts to have good relationships. When there's an emergency, I know that my vendors will put us first in line. So if you have a home with HOTT Homes, property management and real estate, be rest assured that our vendors will put you first because of our relationships that we've kept intact with our vendors. We had a major emergency. We had 2 significant work orders come in, and they were there the same day. We didn't have to wait. As soon as we called them, they made an appointment immediately with our tenants to rectify the situation and get it going. So again, in a state of emergency, a tree falls down on your home, who do you call?
Home insurance.
Home insurance.
Let them know what's going on. Let them take care of it.
Yeah. But okay, so we just talked about home insurance. Now let's just chat briefly about about home warranty. I had sold a home to the sweetest couple in Pomona, and some things happened to their home, and they didn't understand their home warranty. So maybe I didn't do the best job of helping them to understand that that's what it's there for. But anytime something goes wrong in the first 13 months after a home warranty is purchased with the home sale, anything that goes wrong with your home, anything, you call the home warranty, except the tree falling down due to natural from the wind. But that is there to help you. So like a $1,500 repair from a water heater, sometimes even more like $2,000, that repair can cost $75 by calling your home warranty. So the only things that they're not going to cover are wear and tear, like an old roof, like it needs to be repaired. They're not going to take care of that roof. But if all the shingles blow off because of wind, they may take care of that. So you should actually call the home warranty just to find out. But home warranty is there to help you. If you want to change out and do a remodel, the home warranty is not going to help. But if your toilet clogs up and is not flushing, guess what? Home warranty. What else?
Oh, pretty much any basic plumbing, electrical stuff with lights or anything basic. They don't delve into the hard stuff unless it's found to be, not wear and tear. And they'll take care of it. Exactly.
So don't go ahead and call the home warranty, but don't forget about your home insurance as well. You're basically like double covered for a lot of these issues that you don't have to pay out of pocket. Really, the only time you have to pay out of pocket is if it's a wear and tear issue. Very old plumbing that just needs to be repaired. But if something busts through that plumbing, old or new, home warranty is going to cover it. Home insurance is going to cover it. So, be sure to call them first. So you do have a double whammy when it comes to emergencies. You have your home warranty and your home insurance. Call us if you want to find out if having a home warranty plan is for you. Sometimes it's not. We decided to extend ours, and we have a few clients who've decided to extend theirs. It costs about anywhere between $400 and $600 a year for repairs. But remember, if you have to change out your toilet, that's $300 right off the bat, if not more. Let's see, the only thing they didn't cover is we had some weird water spigot behind the refrigerator of our new home. We didn't know it was there. We found it as we were pulling up the floors, and we found 2 valves for water to be dispensed into the refrigerator. Well, they came out to take a look, and they couldn't find it. They couldn't repair it because the plumbing was not up to code. So we found that out. But basically, you still call them because they'll let you know. And if they can't help you, then sometimes you don't even have to pay the trade fee.
No, if you call them first before you even request a trade fee, sometimes they can tell you if they cover that item or not. Yeah. Just on the phone before you have it, because they will charge you the trade fee if they come out.
Oh, they will. They will charge you. But anyways, still, it's always great to have that coverage. But we've decided to keep our home warranty with Old Republic, and we're very grateful for our home insurance. And the home insurance on these 2 homes is Farmers, and they're very grateful to have had home insurance on their home. We hope that you learned a little bit about home insurance and home warranty today, and tune in with us later. Bye-bye.
More information. Have a great one.